Hey guys, in today's video we're going to be showing you how to integrate the Sendiio Autoresponder to TinyBrander. So we have it all up on the big screen and let's jump in and take a look. So here we are in one of our test stores in the dashboard. We need to go down on the left hand side to settings. And we want to make sure that across the middle here that we are at autoresponder settings where we are right now. Obviously, we want to integrate today with Sendiio, so we just need to click Sendiio here and it tells us exactly what we need to look for in our Sendiio account. So what we need is an API token and an API secret. I have my Sendiio account in a different tab, so let me just head over there now and open that up. There we go. And this is what it would look like when you were in your Sendiio dashboard. So where you want to find this information, you want to go across on the right hand side up to the top right hand corner to where your profile is. Mine's just this green dot. You click there and then you go down to My Accounts. If you scroll down to the very bottom of that, you'll see that the bottom two fields are the API token and the API secret. So you just want to copy the API token, go back to TinyBrander and paste it right in there, and then go back to Sendiio and this time copy the API secret. Now make sure you get all of it, because if you miss any of the string when you're copying it, it will not work. So we enter the secret and paste that, and then all we have to do is hit submit. There we go, and you get a success message from TinyBrander, and now that Sendiio account is integrated with TinyBrander and can be used with any of your stores that you can access through the store management. So I hope that helps describe how to integrate Sendiio. If you have any questions or concerns, you can always email us at support@tinybrander.com. All the best, bye bye.